Hey besties! Today we are preparing plantain with some turkey berries and garden eggs abomu or sauce. I want to take you to the small town, small village. My village to be precise. Let's dive into the video. Guys, we will need Apem plantain for this recipe and some turkey berries. I'll tell you more about the turkey berries. And this is onions, this is cured fish, kobe, and tomatoes, pepper, garden eggs, mackerel, and cured fish, okay, which is momoni. So substitute this with kobe if that's what you want. Okay, so I'll go ahead and soak my kako in water because it's too salty. Set it aside and prep my turkey berries. I remove the fruit from the stem. That's what you do till you're done. Okay, so guys, let's peel off our plantain. You create a line on your plantain and gently remove the green from the skin. Okay, so my beginners, I hope you watched it. We will take it again. So you just scrape the skin. If you want a delicious Apem plantain, do your plantain this way or prepare your plantain this way. So beginners, let's take it again. Okay, take your plantain, create a line on the plantain, and then gently remove the green from the skin as you are seeing, and then gently use your knife to scrape off the skin. Just keep doing it, okay? And you're going to thank me later. It will taste so delicious and very, very tender, easy to chew. Okay, so add generous amounts of water, wash it very well, and transfer it onto your cooking pot, guys. That is what we do. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you to all my subscribers, my returnees, my newbies. God bless you. Keep doing the magic. So I added salt to taste, okay, and then some eggs. This is washed very well. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I post, you'll be the first person to get notified for free. So I'll just cover and then transfer it onto my stove and prep the garden eggs. Okay, so you just cut off the head of the garden egg as you are seeing. Just divide it into 4. You can divide it into 2 because I just want it to cook faster. That is why. Wash it very well, transfer it onto your cooking pot. Okay, and then add some turkey berries. Guys, do you know that you can add turkey berries onto your green chili sauce? This is one kitchen tip for you. Follow for more. So I added some onion to taste, okay, and transfer this onto my stove as well. At this point, I'll grind some garlic and ginger whilst waiting for the vegetables to cook. Okay, did you know that all parts of turkey berry plant, including its root, stem, leaves, and fruit, are used for medicinal and culinary purposes throughout the world? Now you know. So we checked on the plantain and it's almost done. So let's check on the vegetables. It's also almost done. Okay, guys, at this point our plantain is cooked. It is ready. Okay, so I will show you what to do. Just follow the process and trust the process. So when you take your plantain from fire, don't strain the water. Go ahead and add cold water. You will thank me later for that. So our vegetables are also cooked. So I added the pepper and then the onions first. So when I'm done blending, grinding it, I'll go ahead and grind the turkey berries as well. Note, no blending here. Sometimes the turkey berries are difficult to grind, but just go ahead and do it, okay? It's for its medicinal purpose and for its benefits. So just think about that and then keep doing it. So I added the garden eggs as well. At this point, I am done grinding. Okay, you bab. So I'll just put my pot on the stove and then add some palm oil, go in with the cured fish and then my kako. Okay, so I'll fry it for like 2 minutes and then add my tomatoes. I chopped some tomatoes, so I'm going to add the tomatoes to it. So after adding the tomatoes, I'll let it cook for like a minute or 2 and then I'll grind the tomatoes and the cured fish, that is just the momoni and then the tomatoes. Okay, you can choose to leave it like that, but guys, just follow this process and you're going to thank me later. So right now I have the kako in the oil, so I'll go ahead and add the onions and then I'll fry it for just 1 minute and then add my salmon, guys. So I added some salt to taste. Okay, so I'll fry the salmon too for like 1 minute, just 1 minute, and I'll go ahead and pour everything onto my mixture, my abomu. Guys, just do something like this. Do it exactly how I've done and you will thank me later. Note, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in my YouTube description button, so do well to check. Okay, so guys, at this point I garnished with some eggs. As I said, go ahead and add anything, your kobe, your pear. I didn't get some, but you can go ahead and do it. I bring you nothing but the best. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.